Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert special characters in Word with keyboard. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document. Now we want to insert special characters in this document using keyboard. Firstly click on the page. Then press on our keyboard Alt or Ctrl R. And we can see here we insert a special character. Then select the character and change the font size. You can insert another special character. Press again Alt or Ctrl T or Alt or Ctrl C. Now we can see here we insert a special character using keyboard very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.